Yes, my name is also Onye because I look exactly like Onye. So if you want to know what Onye looks like, just think of me. She's like my twin.
Okay.
That's it. Bye.
Wow.
Kobe, what's wrong?
Nothing. I don't know about this.
Kobe, what's wrong? Kobe, what's wrong?
See, actually, you're showing your ugly cry face.
No, he's a good boy.
Let him see himself. He likes to see himself.
Kobe, be a good boy. Stop crying. see this one. Daddy's waiting. Aww. Nelo, how do you feel about Kobe just throwing tantrums like that? Now that baby number 2 is on the way.
I don't even know how I feel. I just do it, so it's not my big deal.
What do you want to eat?
I know I've eaten though.
You've eaten?
This one I get to do, yeah.
Oh my god, your nails are so lovely. Let's see. I love the detail.
Thank you.
How much was it?
8,000.
Wow. How could be mad? Well, it was in a
My
way.
friend's one was 11,000 because she put stones and all that.
Are you serious? But this, I guess, it's because of this thing.
This, I'm sure. Her nails, the starting price is 7K.
Oh, okay. So she's really good normally, like ladies.
Yeah, she's really good. I'll show you her account, her pictures. Not like you can do her nails with her, but she's really good. Hey guys, it's officially the next day now, and yeah, I've left NNEWI, I've left the village, which I'm really sad about because almost everybody's there. My siblings, my cousins, friends. Like, this Christmas looks like it's going to be lit, but obviously I'm not going to be there to spend it with them. I'm on my way to Lagos now and I'm going by road, and we left around 6 AM. Right now is 8:30, so we've been on the road for like over 2 hours, and see what I have to deal with. Kobe! This is what I have to deal with on my own. Hey guys, so right now it's the next day, and yesterday by the time we got to the house I was so tired I didn't even pick up the camera again to vlog or do anything. But today is a new day. We're headed out right now. We're going to see my cousin and her triplets. She gave birth to 3 kids at the same time. I don't even want to imagine what that feels like. But anyways, we're going to see her. I'm with Kobe, of course. We're in a taxify right now, headed there. Hey Kobe.
Mommy. Cop.
Come and say hi to my camera.
Hi.
What do you have to say? What's your name?
My name is Dimma.
Come this side, let's see your face well. Okay, come this side. What's your name? Obina who? Obina who?
Obina Wanko.
How old are you?
7.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Play football.
Who is this?
Vikana, my brother.
And who is this?
Shama, my sister.
Okay, who is this?
Kobe. My friend.
So I'm basically just here relaxing. I'm back from my cousin's house. I saw her triplets. They are so adorable. And yeah, I'm just resting, trying to get ready for my trip tomorrow. I'm here with the kids. Yes.
Look at what you did.
Sorry, I bring it up. So yeah, I'm just going to rest, play small with them, shower, bath Kobe, and just sleep. Tomorrow is another day, and I have a very long journey ahead. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. I'm here with the little one, as you guys can see. He's sleeping now. You guys, I've had the most stressful morning I've ever had, probably my whole entire life. Traveling with this boy is the most stressful thing I've ever done, I swear. Okay, apart from childbirth or something, but it's been so stressful. He doesn't let anybody touch him. I mean, all my regular support system, they are not here. My mom is here, but like, he's not used to my mom, because my mom doesn't live with me. He doesn't even let her carry him most of the time, for now at least. And yeah, so I'm stuck with him like all the time. I have to chase him around. At some point he threw himself on the floor and started screaming. God, I was so frustrated. Coupled with the fact that I am 9 months pregnant at this point, and I have to hold him and carry him. It's just a lot of work. Anyways, we're at the airport now. We have checked in and passed immigration and all that good stuff. Right now we're just waiting to board, and I think they're actually just about to start boarding. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. So yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm pregnant with a baby, so I'm probably going to board first, and I can't wait to just board the airline, board the plane, and just relax. Like, I have a very long journey ahead that I cannot wait to be done with, basically. Oh, soon go, okay? Come on. Hey, baby.
Baby.
Hey, baby. How are you? Come on, sit down. Come on, sit down and vlog with mommy. Outside. So guys, it's the next day. Yesterday we arrived like 1 a.m. and I went straight to the hotel and slept. And yeah, right now it's around 8 a.m. We're about to board our next flight to Houston, and I just can't wait to get there. This journey has been so long, and Kobe has been a little bit stressful, even though he was kind of a good boy in the plane, I won't lie. But yeah, it's been really stressful. I just wanted to update you guys. I'm currently at the airport, and yeah, I'll see you guys probably when I get there, when I'm well rested. I don't even know when next I'll pick up this camera, but I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I know the last time I picked up my camera to say anything to you guys was when we were in the plane or at the airport or something like that. But anyways, it's been almost a week now. We've obviously reached our destination, but I've just been too busy and too stressed, to be honest. Like, Kobe is a very stressful child to take care of. You know, if back in Nigeria I had a support system, you know, I had a lot of people helping me out with him, and obviously he had school to go to, but here it's like I'm with him 24/7 and he wants me to do everything for him. Basically, he doesn't let another person help him with anything or do anything for him, so it's just been really stressful, coupled with the fact that I'm still trying to settle in. I have a lot of hospital visits I'm trying to get done this week, and a lot of tests and scans and just basically things like that. So yeah, we're here anyways, and everything is going okay. Let me show Kobe to you guys. Hold on. That is Kobe and his uncle. We're just taking a walk. And this will probably be the last part of this travel vlog. Nobody will even dream of swimming right now. Hey baby. Hey. Kobe. See Kobe. He loves camera. Say bye guys. Say bye. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video or next vlog or whatever comes next. I'm just going to end this here. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah, we hit 10k recently, so thank you guys so much for all of you that subscribed. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed, I don't even know what you're still doing. Just click the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.